When you search for the best food processor, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to truly find the one that'll make your cooking easier, you need to dig a little deeper. Product number 1: Ganuza Food Processor. First up is the Ganuza Food Processor, priced at just $34.99. What initially caught my eye was its dual bowl system, which is a fantastic feature for anyone who likes to cook a variety of dishes. If you want an affordable, efficient food processor for everyday use, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Ganuza has a powerful 450W motor that easily chops everything from meat to veggies in seconds. The 8-cup glass and 8-cup stainless steel bowls mean you can switch between them depending on what you're preparing, avoiding any cross-contamination. Plus, the 2-speed options let you customize how finely you chop your ingredients. Now, some people mentioned concerns about the overheating protection feature, which causes the processor to stop if it gets too hot. Here's the thing though, while this can be frustrating during heavy use, it's a safety feature designed to extend the lifetime of the motor. If you're often preparing large meals, this might be a slight annoyance. This is perfect for you if you're a budget-conscious cook looking for something reliable. Skip this one if you require heavy-duty performance for commercial use. For its price, it's a solid value. Now, if the Ganuza's cooling feature concerns you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2: Ninja 9-Cup Food Processor. Next up is the Ninja 9-Cup Food Processor, retailing at $109.99. What really stands out here is its impressive 1,000 peak watt motor. If you want consistent performance and versatility in the kitchen, this is definitely worth considering. Here's why this matters. The powerful motor allows you to easily chop, slice, and even make dough without any hassle. With 4 Auto IQ preset programs, you can simply press a button and let the machine do the work for you. Plus, it comes with multiple blades and a reversible disc for slicing and shredding, which adds to its versatility. With a stellar 4.7-star rating from over 12,300 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate its performance. However, I did notice some complaints regarding the noise level during operation. Now, some may find it a bit loud, but honestly, if you're after power, a bit of noise is often part of the package. It's not a deal breaker for most, especially given the results. This is perfect for you if you want a robust food processor that does it all. Skip this one if you're looking for something quieter for small tasks. For its features, it offers great value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prioritize size and capacity. Product number 3: Cuisinart Pro Custom 11. Now let's talk about the Cuisinart Pro Custom 11, priced at $199.95. This 11-cup powerhouse caught my attention for its reliability and durable design. If you want a food processor that can handle everything from slicing vegetables to making dough, this is one to consider. It includes multiple slicing and shredding discs, making it versatile enough for various tasks. Cuisinart is a trusted brand in kitchen appliances, and this model is no exception. With a solid rating of 4.5 stars from over 3,400 reviews, many home cooks rely on its performance. But I have to be honest, some users mention that it can be a bit bulky for storage. Now, this may not suit everyone's kitchen space, especially if you're short on cabinets. But if you have the room, its performance and capacity make it worth the investment. This is perfect for you if you like cooking for larger groups or meal prepping. Skip this if you have limited counter or storage space. It's a reliable choice that justifies the price. Next up, if you're looking for something smaller but powerful, check out the next product. Product number 4: Cuisinart Mini Prep Plus. Next is the Cuisinart Mini Prep Plus, which is an affordable option often found at various retailers. What impressed me is its compact design, making it perfect for small kitchens. If you want a reliable mini processor for quick tasks, this one is a solid choice. It's lightweight and has a push-button control panel, making it user-friendly. With a 4.6-star rating based on over 24,500 reviews, it's clearly popular among users who need quick solutions without the bulk. However, some users found it a bit underpowered for larger tasks. Now here's the thing, if you're only preparing small batches, this is perfect. But if you're looking to process larger quantities, you might want something bigger. This is perfect for you if you need a compact, easy-to-use processor for simple tasks. Skip this if you plan on processing large amounts of food at once. For its size, it's a great value for those limited on countertop space. Alright, that brings us to our final product, which might be ideal for those looking for ease of use and assembly. Product number 5, Black Plus Decker 3-in-1 Food Processor. Finally, we have the Black Plus Decker 3-in-1 Food Processor, priced at $46.99. What really caught my attention here is its easy assembly design. If you want something user-friendly, this is definitely worth considering. Here's why this matters. The 8-cup capacity is great for preparing salsas, nut butter, and hummus. Plus, the reversible slice shred disc means you can switch between slicing veggies and shredding cheese effortlessly. With a 4.5-star rating from 3,800 reviews, it's a popular pick for many home cooks. But I did see some complaints about its more basic features compared to pricier models. Now, some users might find it lacking advanced capabilities, but for the price, you're getting reliable performance for everyday use. Skip this one if you're looking for something with advanced features. It's definitely a great value for casual cooking needs. So to recap, we have the Ganuza food processor for budget-friendly efficiency, the Ninja for power and versatility, the Cuisinart Pro Custom 11 for larger tasks, the compact Cuisinart Mini Prep Plus for small jobs, and the Black Plus Decker for ease of use. Each has its strengths, so you'll want to choose based on your specific needs and kitchen space. Happy cooking!